Hello guys, my name is Young Brico and welcome to HST. So today we'll be focusing on just understanding what sports trading is all about, because I've come across people that have actually been asking me, questioning me that why do you refer to betting as trading? Why do you look at sports and things like that? Why do you refer to it as trading? Because it's not trading. So today we'll talk about that and why we refer to sports as trading itself. So I've written down something that will help me just be able to explain why we refer to sports betting as trading. So this writing, I just did some writing so that I don't make as many mistakes. So with that being said, let's get into it and just understand why we refer to sports betting as trading also. So first we have to understand what the word trading is, or who is a trader. So when we're talking about trading, what is trading? Here it says a trader is a person or entity in finance who buys and sells financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and mutual funds in a capacity of agent or speculator. Now here, from there, we'll pick out the word speculator. Who is a speculator, or what is speculation? Who is a speculator, or what is speculation? Because that's what will help us understand why we call sports betting as trading. That's speculating. And if you trade forex, we refer to forex traders to be speculators most of the time. So who is a speculator, or what is speculation? Speculation is the purchase of an asset, that is commodity, goods, or real estate, with the hope that it will become more valuable in the near future. That is speculation, because you're only speculating that if I buy this house now, in 2-3 years time, it will become this much and I'll be able to sell it then get some money. Hence with forex it's like that. If you buy here and sell there, you make that profit margin and things like that. So that's what, when you do that, you're actually speculating. And with sport it's the same. So before that, we can also go further and say, in finance, obviously, speculation is also the practice of engaging in risk financial transactions in an attempt to profit from short-term fluctuations in the market value. So what is fluctuation? Obvious fluctuations in the market happen due to the supply and demand. When there's demand and there's supply, those fluctuations. That's why you see, if you've come across a forex chart, any trading chart or any chart that has those fluctuations, that's why you see there's up and down movements of things that usually don't make sense to a newbie, fluctuations in the market value of a tradable financial instrument. Let's just go back through that again. In finance, speculation is also the practice of engaging in risk financial transactions in an attempt to profit from short-term fluctuations in the market value of a tradable financial instrument. Get that keyword, tradable. Anything that is tradable financial instrument. Sport is tradable now. Internet has brought out a lot of businesses or tradable things that weren't tradable way back. Forex never used to be on accessible to people who went wherever that forex was. Obviously Wall Street, and if you know the whole history where trading comes from and everything, obviously we'll go into that later on. But so for now, we'll continue with that. I don't want to waste more time. I just want to get to the point. So tradable, a tradable financial instrument. I want that. Remember that, tradable financial instrument. 3, speculation can in principle involve any tradable good or financial instrument. Anything that is tradable, that is speculation. That is speculating. Speculation can in principle involve any tradable good or financial instrument. What is involved in sport? Money, finance. Speculators are very common in the marketplaces, obviously in stocks, bonds, and commodity futures, currencies, fine art, collectibles, real estate, and what else? Spot. Okay, so we go further. Speculation is simply a higher risk form of investment. That's why those two actually go together. Investment, speculation. So speculation is sometimes termed as creating. Obviously, sometimes it is created. It is termed as creating money from money. What is investment? Investment is putting in money, getting out money. So that what's so different from sport? Because you're putting in money, you're putting money on bets and get out money. And that's what investment is all about, because you invest money into something, into a business, into any investment that's there. And what you want to get out, you don't want to get out a vehicle or anything, you want to get out money or in whatever valuable thing that you get out. You see? So creating money from money. Obviously, people refer to that as gambling as well. That is what gambling is all about. So from there, then when we talk about speculations and everything, and forex traders are said to be speculators and things like that. That's why we call, or now that sports betting has become everywhere now, many now are calling it trading sport. You know, that's what sports trading is. We're speculating what the results will be. You know, we're trading bets, we're trading odds and everything. So that's why we refer to it as trading. That's what trading is all about. We can go on and everything, but just that small explanation, hopefully that will help you understand. If you want more, we'll still post more, and we don't want the video to be that long. So that's why we refer to sports as trading, because it is also a form of speculation, speculating or speculation. And yeah, so that's what sports betting is all about. It is trading. And what are we trading? We're trading bets. So hopefully that helps. If it doesn't, be sure to comment, ask questions, add something. If you have a better explanation, you can also assist, and things like that. So we'll continue doing that, and hopefully it clears minds out there who are questioning why do you call sports betting as trading, and because, you know, when you hear the word trading, obviously refer to people who do sport, who do currencies, obviously forex traders, bonds, real estate, and things like that. That's what you're looking at. But you also need to start looking at sport to be a form of trading also. It's because you're actually putting in money to get out money, and you're trading bets, odds, things like that. So that's why that is also another form of trading. It's trading. You are a trader, you know. You are a person who trades bets. And yeah, so with that being said, thank you to everyone, and hopefully that helped, and hopefully that will be able to make you go and do research more and things like that, because there are a lot of other businesses that are there that are actually very big in Europe and USA and other countries like South Africa, where internet, where people that have accepted these things a little bit more than we have here in Zambia. There's another business called affiliate business. Obviously, it's very big in Europe. In South Africa, it's picking up. Here in Zambia, not so many people know it. Here we refer to it as obviously commissions. When you sell, obviously people are in selling laptops, phones, and whatnot. when you sell someone's laptop or a phone, you want that commission, and that's what affiliating is all about. You know, you get affiliated to someone with the goods and be able to sell those things and be able to get something from that. So there's that business also that's there, and sport is also picking up to become another form of trading. So don't be left out. Have an open mind. Just give it a try. Listen to everything that's there right now, and just take some time, learn these things. Things like Bitcoin. We had a conversation with one of my great friends in town about what Bitcoin is all about, where it started. Because Bitcoin, when you look at Bitcoin, you look at it to be to be something, to be the future. Obviously, it is the future of currency right now. But the way it started, if you look at the way it started, you also when you look at Bitcoin, the way it started, and when you look at sports trading, the way it's starting right now, you look at it differently than you are right now. You know, when you hear someone who bets and things like that, you look at those things differently, because Bitcoin started with thieves, you know, drug dealers. That's the only way they used to move their monies and things like that. But right now, it's accepted, and if you can't beat them, join them. That's why it's been now advertised now everywhere. Bitcoin is big, even in Zambia, it's picking up, and things like that. People, so learn what Bitcoin is all about, all cryptocurrencies. And if you don't know what cryptocurrency is all about, you can come through here, or you can send me questions and things like that. Call me or inbox me on Facebook or Instagram, and we can talk about what cryptocurrency is all about, what is trading futures and things like that, and what is Forex and what is trading sports is all about. So for me, Young Rico, and thanks guys, and check you out later. Peace.